What's up, everyone? I'm in Manhattan today. About to go do a mice service call. Guy called in, said he's not happy with his current exterminator. Said he was shooting powder all over the place, etc. So I was like, let me come check it out. So stay tuned. What's up, everyone? Just got done with that job. Couldn't believe the hackery that this customer paid for from another service company. Tracking pattern on the floor, know what to use, droppings everywhere. Just a couple of glue boards, and that's it. Couldn't get back in touch with them. If anybody needs pest control services, give us a call, 212-756-9996. Ecowise Pest Control, NYC.